Welcome to week 19, assignment 2. We are actually going to be working in PowerPoint this week. So what I need you to do is go to week 19. We're going to go to assignment 2. This is where this video is. Here is the actual written assignment. I suggest you watch the video at least the first few minutes, even if you know how to do PowerPoint, because I will give more specific, or I will give you an example of what it needs to look like. But basically you are making a 17 slide presentation. I know that sounds like a lot, but it doesn't have to have a lot of stuff on it. Basically what you're doing is you're looking, the first slide is your title slide. So you're going to title it Parts of Speech by and put your name. Then you're going to have there are 8 parts of speech. You need to find them on the internet. You need to research. I'm not giving you a link. Find the 8 parts of speech. You're going to, on one slide, you're going to put the name of the part of speech and the definition. And then the following slide, you're going to give me at least 2 examples of it. In the video, I show you what it can look like for the noun. And so I would suggest you watch that. You do not have to put any kind of backgrounds or transitions, but if you want to play around with it, that would be fine. But I'm starting very basic. You can do this either on the online version or the downloaded version, but like I said, we are going to be doing most of our assignments in the downloaded version. If you have any questions, please let me know, message me, and if not, I shall see you guys soon.